Jesus Christ wey dem born for David and Abraham family, na im story be dis. Abraham born Isaac. Isaac come born Jacob. Na Jacob born Judah and im brothers. Judah born Perez and Zerah, wey im mama be Tamar. Perez born Hezron, and Hezron come born Ram. Ram na Aminadab papa. Aminadab born Nashon. Nashon come born Salmon. Salmon born Boaz, wey Rahab be im mama. Na Boaz be Obed papa, wey Ruth be im mama. Obed come born Jesse. Jesse born David, wey be Israel people king. David born Solomon, wey Uriah wife be im mama. Solomon born Rehoboam. Rehoboam na im be Abijah papa, and Abijah come born Asa. Asa born Jehoshaphat. Jehoshaphat come born Joram. Joram born Uzziah. Uzziah born Jotham. Jotham come born Ahaz, wey born Hezekiah. Hezekiah born Manasseh. Manasseh na im be Amon papa, and Amon come born Josiah. Josiah born Jeconiah and im brothers for the time wey dem carry Israel people go be slave for Babylon. After dem carry Israel people go Babylon, Jeconiah come born Shealtiel. Shealtiel come be Zerubbabel papa. Zerubbabel born Abiud. Abiud na im be Eliakim papa. Eliakim come born Azor. Azor born Zadok. Zadok na im be Akim papa. Akim come born Eliud. Eliud born Eleazar, wey be Matan papa. Matan come born Jacob. Jacob born Joseph, wey be Mary husband. Dis Mary na im be Jesus Christ mama. So from Abraham go reach David time, na 14 generation dey, and from David time go reach when dem carry Israel people go Babylon, na 14 too, and from that time go reach when dem born Jesus Christ, na 14 generation.